Hello friends, my name is Rushil Kumar and you guys are watching my YouTube channel Rushil Kumar. Here is a Jio phone Next in my hand. You can see. So in today's video we are going to unbox with this Jio phone and we'll show you how it is. But before I get started, let me tell you one main and important thing. This is not any kind of sponsored video or a brand promotion. My father brought it from a shop near my house. So let's get started. And I will also shot a small part of this unboxing video from a front and back camera also. So this is the box I am having. Jio Phone Next is written here and Jio Mobile is also printed here, and here its price and date and years is also given. Here is a lot of detail about Jio apps and its specification is given. Licensed by a Qualcomm. Pragati OS powered by Android is written, and every side Jio logo is also printed. Now let's remove this polythene things and open it and see what's inside this beautiful box. So here we got a this black color Geophone Next mobile. Geophone Next are available in only two color, black and blue. So we have a unique black color. There is no fingerprint sensor. Instead, it is having a big Geo logo here, and we have 5.45-inch screen phone and weighing around 200 gram. It's lightweight and also very beautiful. Packaging is also very good. Now let's see what the other thing inside the box. So here the paper thing, warranty information, and micro USB cable, and 7.5 watt charger, and a silica gel. Silica gel inside a Geo box is a very unique thing. This charger is also a very good and it is of very good quality. Now we keep it back. Right side of the phone is having a volume rocker and the power button, and below it micro USB port and a microphone. Now here we have the front camera of 8 MP and back camera of 13 MP. A very beautiful Geo logo here, but it's not having a fingerprint sensor. We can only use the power button to on and off. This is full HD glass and it's very smooth to use. The applications are running also very good. Here YouTube is also running, and here is a 13 megapixel back camera with flashlight. Now let's talk about some important thing. The hardware of this Geo mobile is made by Geo, but the operating system of this Geo mobile is made by a Google. This phone has over 2 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM and 3500 mAh battery and also 7.5 watt charger. Now friends, let's see the picture quality of front and back camera, and also the features of the camera is given here. So you can see the live recording of my face, front camera. For the safety of the mobile, I've purchased the back cover and screen guard too. You can see the back cover is not so good and it's very heavy and bulky. So guys, back cover for the Geo phone is not a good option. Here screen guard is running very well and it is very smooth to touch it, but the back cover, it's not easy to hold and operate this mobile. So friends, with this is the back camera of this Jio mobile. You can see its picture quality too, the color of sky. So friends, finally this is the final part of this video, and I am shooting it with the front camera of this Jio mobile only, without using any external microphone, so you can see its real picture quality and sound quality. So friends, if you like my Jio mobile, please like my video, share it more and more, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more unboxing videos and technical content. Thanks for supporting me.